So right here we have the Razer Cobra mouse. This is the wired edition. As you can see, it comes with two buttons on the side. So right here, here's your RGB. It's just on the back. It glows underneath. And the other RGB source will be the logo. Here's the DPI right here on top of the screen. So what I like a lot about this mouse so far, I've only had it for about a week. I like the wire because whenever you pick it up, it feels like you're just picking up a piece of string. The other wires that other mice have, like the Corsair Harpoon, that one can get annoying because it's on the left side of the mouse. Other than that, I haven't really had any issues with this mouse so far. Whenever I move it around and whatnot, it actually feels very nice. As you can see, normally whenever you move your wired mouse around, you may drag it around, or you may have to lift it up, yank the wire. It rarely ever comes out. Like right here, you'll barely ever see it sometimes. Well, right now it's not tucked in, but you know, pretend that I'm doing a flick in a game or something. I'll go like this or like that, whatever. As you can see, it's not really pulling it. And the weight of this wire is way less than any others, is what I was trying to say from earlier. It's very comfortable. Now, getting into the build quality of the mouse, it feels very nice, actually. This is not rubber. I'll put the material, what it's made out of, on screen now. But the left click is just very nice. The right click, all around, this is very nice, very comfortable. The scroll wheel is actually scroll worthy, I would say, which means it's durable, it's comfortable. If you're trying to scroll in a game, it's not gonna act up for you, unless if it's wear and tear, which in my case, I have not had yet due to it's brand new. Now, moving on to the DPI button, this is what it sounds like. So it's not very noticeable at all. Here's what the left click sounds like. This is what the left click sounds like. And along with the right click. I'm not sure if that picked up at all, but you know, that's what it is. So on the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I would say how comfortable this thing is, probably around, honestly, a 9 or a 10. I haven't had any cramps with it. If you see the right side, you actually get a nice resting zone for your ring finger and your pinky, if that's how you guys use your mice. Now, for me, I just like to hold it like a normal mouse. This feels very nice on my thumb, and this also feels very nice on my other two fingers. Now, right here is the weight of the mouse. The lights on the mouse, I could turn off my lights real quick and show you how bright it is on full brightness. This is what the mouse looks like in the dark. Now, I'll put photos up for more accurate color. I'm not sure why it's not the best on video. I'm still a little bit new to this. If you want to customize it, I have a full video. It's called Razer Snaps 4, the program. That's what installs whenever you first put in your USB into your PC. And it'll install the software automatically, so you don't have to worry about a thing. So if you want to go check that out, that'll be in the description or at the end of this video, I believe on the left side. But that's about everything. I hope you guys found this somewhat helpful. Hopefully you guys check out our Discord down below if you're interested. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful time.